This video, I'm just gonna literally tell you how to name your Facebook group. We're gonna do it, we're gonna name it, we're gonna move on to things that are actually going to make us money. Don't spend 3 days trying to name your Facebook group. We're gonna pick a name and then we're gonna move on to actually growing the group. Now, mind you, I have a group of 150,000 ideal clients. Every day, 500, this is kind of insane when I say it. Every day, 500 new people request to join my group. We're not running ads to it, it's all organic. And a big part of that is because I knew how to name my group. So what I'm gonna do in this short but effective video is show you exactly how to name your Facebook group so you get a ton of followers, you get a ton of people requesting to join your community. Legacy Academy. They don't know what the Legacy Academy is. Why would they join your group? You ready? Okay, first things first, here's the formula. If you break this formula, I guarantee you will have less people requesting to join your group. I've helped enough people name their groups and had enough people not listen to me that I just feel very confident saying if you break this formula, you will not get a bunch of people requesting to join your group, okay? Here's the formula. Adjective, adjective, noun. That is a formula that you use to name your group. So for example, successful, adjective, female, adjective, entrepreneurs. Successful, female, entrepreneurs. Profitable, Airbnb investors. Adjective, adjective, noun. If you try to do things like digital marketing, secrets and tips, hacks for real estate investors, or whatever it might be, it's not going to be as effective. Facebook groups are inherently a community. And so when you say something like successful female entrepreneurs or profitable Airbnb investors, you're creating a community of successful female entrepreneurs, a community of Airbnb investors. So think about your ideal clients. Who are your ideal clients? Are they moms who want to lose weight? I'm just making that up. Have it be healthy, sexy moms, just as an example, right? It kind of sounds like porn. So, use your best judgment there. Second thing is in your noun, part of the adjective, adjective, noun, it should be something that they aspire to be. So successful female entrepreneurs is something that describes who my ideal clients want to be. They want to be successful. Using our example of profitable Airbnb investors, they want to be profitable Airbnb investors. They want to make money on it. So not only should you be describing your ideal clients with adjective, adjective, noun, but those adjectives and noun, the whole thing really, should be who they aspire to be. So if you are like one of the guys in one of my communities, he coaches tradesmen, calls them tradies, right? Because they're from Australia. So his group name would be Profitable, Successful Tradies. That would be a great one. Just pull that one out. Another one, successful hair salon owners. So don't do like busy, stressed out moms because they don't aspire to be busy, stressed out moms. It should be like intentional, authentic living or something like that. That would be good. Kind of breaks it because like living isn't quite a noun, but that's better than like panicking and stressing. So it should be who they aspire to be. Other thing that is super important is don't use your brand name. Don't use your program names. They don't know who you are yet at this point. They're requesting to join your free Facebook group. They don't know who you are. So don't do like Legacy Academy. They don't know what the Legacy Academy is. Why would they join your group? When they're at the stage where they're evaluating, am I gonna join your group or not? They don't know what the Legacy Academy is. They don't know who you are. They don't know what your brand is. And frankly, they don't care. So don't use your branding because they don't know who you are yet. Instead, if you have paid programs, that's when you use your branding. That's when you use your name. Successful female entrepreneurs. Says nothing about who Maria is. I use them once they're in the group to teach them about who I am and what I do and how I help them. But the initial bit of the net there, the top of the net, the top of funnel, should be as wide as possible, which is why I say successful female entrepreneurs. And then I filter. But that's why I have 500 people coming to my group every day. So hopefully that makes sense. Don't use your branding. Naming your Facebook group, that is just the first stage of all of this. Once you name your group, then we got to put some things in place to grow your Facebook group. And like I mentioned, at the time of this filming, I currently have 150,000 women who come into my group for free. And I have about 500 people who come in every single day. So 2 days go by, now I'm at 151,000. 4 days go by, now I'm at 152,000. I literally think I'm at like 154,000 and we just hit 150,000 like 2 days ago. So we're growing really quickly and we've always grown really quickly. And it's because I know what to do to grow a Facebook group for free. So I had a ton of people beg me to put together everything that I knew about growing a Facebook group organically. So I put it together in like a mini kit, a mini course, and it will tell you essentially all the things your group needs to have besides a good name in order to grow. So your description, what does your cover photo look like? What are the kind of posts you should be putting in the group? I put that all together in a little mini course and I gave access to it. You can get access to it. If you want to get access to this, which I highly recommend you do, it'll save you a ton of time. It'll help you get because again, the name is like, it's important, but it's just the tip of a very big iceberg. And my students who buy this little course that I made are making so much money from their group because they were able to grow it really, really quickly. So if it's something you're interested in, you can just click it and get access to it by clicking the link in the description below. Thank you so much. Again, like I said, this is a quick video. Remember, adjective, adjective, noun, that's your best friend. Grab the kit below. You're not going to regret it. It's a really, really good resource. I hope you get a ton of people joining your group on a daily basis, which obviously is leads on a daily basis, sales on a daily basis. So I will see you on the inside of that kit.